Hey guys, this is Jeff and Edwin from Best Price Nutrition. You can shop online at BestPriceNutrition.com. You can sign up for our email list to get sale notifications, new product announcements, and more. You can also sign up for SMS to be the first ones to get those notifications, which is always great. Or you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you'll be notified of different things. Lastly, right below us, there's probably a bell. Ring that bell. Follow Best Price Nutrition and you'll know when all the newest videos are coming out. So Edwin, what are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the LG Science Bulking Andro Kit today. I know we did some previous videos of all the other kits that LG Science offers, so today we're actually going to go over the full-on bulking kit.
Yeah, this is something we get a lot of questions about, which kit to use, how to use it, and that's what I got Edwin here for. He's very good at talking through some of these ingredients that I can't even say. You know what they do, and that's why we got you today.
Yeah. So the bulking kit, obviously, like all the ones, gives you the Form XT, which is the PCT when it comes to LG Science kits. It's basically just going to be the aromatase form in there, resveratrol, which helps a lot with heart health, especially for PCT, which is very important. It gives you the epicatechin as well. I know, Jeff, you're a big fan of the epicatechin.
Yeah, the epicatechin is something I take year-round, just because it is a natural muscle builder. Plus, you kind of get that feeling after you take a prohormone kit, or a prohormone in general. You're on your PCT, you're like, oh, all my gains are gone, I'm no longer building muscle. So this being in there kind of gives your mind set knowing that you're still continuing to build muscle.
So the two other active ones in here is going to be the 4-andro and then the 1-andro. 1-andro being that it's a 1 androstenedione, which is a 1 testosterone, basically, which is what it goes into in the body. Converts right into that, goes into the system the same way as our bodies would naturally produce testosterone, so it works very similar to that. Then we also got the 4-andro here too. So 4-andro helps to break down in 4 different pathways in the body. That one, you do get a little bit of conversion through it, so taking that Form XT is going to be very crucial and important, just to minimize the water retention and actually minimize the amount of estrogen buildup that goes into the body, so it does end up aromatizing to a certain extent. Nothing too crazy though, but honestly, when it comes to bulking, that's actually okay, because then it allows your body to actually be able to push more weight, which in return is kind of what you want when it comes to the bulking season.
Yeah, because the 4-andro is, I think, when we talk to people, it's one of the compounds that we recommend the most for bulking.
Right.
Just because it works so well.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So when it comes to bulking, guys, again, that minimal water retention is going to be perfectly fine. Again, it's actually needed, especially when it comes to like lubricating joints, making sure that your body can lift heavy without putting your joints under any kind of excruciating pressure or anything like that, and they're not going to end up hurting afterwards, stuff like that too.
And that's a great point, because usually when you're bulking or when you're on a bulking cycle, I'm not sure if you live in Florida, lucky you, or California, lucky you in some ways. We live here out near Chicago, and it gets cold. And one thing I notice, I don't know if you notice, my joints kill in the winter.
All the time.
So the 4-andro, you're saying, is going to help with that. Those
definitely.
Okay, and then the last one was the M1D Andro?
Yeah, so that one is going to be the 3-beta hydroxyandro, which is basically just pure DHEA. So DHEA can be, it's taken by both men and women. So what it basically does is it's a steroid precursor that our bodies naturally produce that responds to the most active hormone in the body. So for example, for men, taking DHEA can actually help with increasing testosterone to a certain extent without any actual aromatizing in any kind of way. And for women, it would actually help with hormone balancing in case they have any kind of, off balance when it comes to their estrogen being way too high or stuff like that, which again is not really a good thing for them. So yeah, that one. So the M1D gives you that, along with it looks like it has some of the
Forskollia extract.
Yeah, and then some aromatase in there too, and then some more resveratrol as well. So I mean, overall, just making sure that it doesn't end up converting into any type of estrogen or anything like that. So you're just getting a pure form of DHEA to get that instant kind of, I would say, increase of testosterone going into your body. So which can help a lot with lean muscle tissue, strength increase as well, overall muscle recovery, and making sure that muscle breakdown happens properly. So
it's basically everything you want during a bulking cycle.
Literally, yeah. So
if you're just starting out, or you've been doing it for a while, the nice thing about these kits is that if you can see, they have everything you need to do on the back of the box. They have what you do in week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, how many times a day you take each one of these, and even at what time of the day, morning, noon, bedtime, anything like that. So a couple questions, Edwin, I guess. Does it matter if you take this with food or without food?
Most people respond pretty well without food. If you end up taking it one day on an empty stomach and you see that it kind of does, for some odd reason, upset your stomach, I would just suggest taking it with food.
Okay, that's a good point. That's a good, a lot of questions on that. Now, if you're like me, 4 weeks is not usually enough. For me, when I take any type of prohormone, it usually takes 2 or 3 weeks for it to kick in. So, are people, this is a good 6 weeks. Can I buy 2 boxes?
Honestly, I don't see why not, to be honest with you. I mean, any kind of extended period of time when it comes to most of the time anything, what I'm saying, a lot of times supplements, this is one question I get a lot in the store, especially of is this going to work? How long does it take for this to work? That's a question that varies person to person. I can't always, respond to that right away. I can tell them about my personal experiences that I've had with them, but for some people it might kick in within the first week. Some people might kick in, 2-3 weeks. Some people, they might not start seeing anything towards the end of their first kit. So jumping into a second kit would be perfectly fine, to be honest with you.
And the best way to do this is you take the M1D Andro, the 4 Andro, the 1 Andro. You take that for a full 8 weeks, and then that would leave you 2 bottles of the Form XT, which would give you your extra 4 weeks of PCT.
Right.
So it makes it easy. So if you really want to go a full bulking cycle, 8 weeks on, and then your 4-week PCT, just get 2 boxes of this, and you'll easily be able to do it. What other question do we get on this? 21 and older, that's always a good thing. The older you are, the better it's going to work. So stick to 21 or older.
Would you recommend it for a woman?
Would you recommend this for a woman?
I probably wouldn't, only because it doesn't have the 4 Andro in here. Generally speaking, women want to stay away from any kind of 4 Andro because, like I said, that one will end up having some kind of over-massive conversion of not only testosterone but estrogen as well too. And again, like I said, when it comes to women, having that right kind of balance in your hormones is going to be the more optimal thing for you guys to do, especially when it comes on to like overall gym activity, putting on muscle or anything like that as well. I'm sure they can actually probably go with a
19 NOR?
I would say a 19 NOR would probably be their best bet. Yeah.
Okay. All right, which is for another video, but it's a good question, Brad. But besides that, great product. If you're bulking, this is perfect, especially during the weather right now we're having in the Midwest. So if you have any other questions, you can talk to me, Jeff, Edwin, Brad online, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have about the Bulking Andro Kit. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, this is Jeff and Edwin from Best Price Nutrition. Hey guys, this is Jeff and Edwin from Best Price Nutrition. You can shop online at BestPriceNutrition.com. God damn it. Hey guys, this is Jeff and Edwin from BestPriceNutrition.com, where you can shop online for thousands of supplements delivered to your door. You can also sign up for your email list. God damn it. Hey guys, this is Jeff and Edwin from Best Price Nutrition. You can shop online at BestPriceNutrition.com. You can sign up for our fucking A. God damn it.
Grab the kit, man.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Jesus. Alright. Hey guys, it's Jeff and Edwin here from BestPriceNutrition.com. Shop online at BestPriceNutrition.com or set.
See? Fuck! Here, I got it this time.
I need subtitles. You talk so fast.
I got this. Okay.